Morning, dear students. We are going to start writing portion and the topic is email writing. What is an email? An email is a digital message sent by someone to one or more recipients. Email can be sent to one person or more than one person at a time. It is sent through the internet in an instant. An email or electronic mail is the most modern and popular form of communication in the world of internet. It is also the fastest and cheapest means of communication. It is therefore essential to learn the skills of writing an email. Email helps us to send and receive a message by the click of a button in a few seconds. To send an email, you must have an email account online. Now, what is the importance of email? Messages can be read as convenient. Whenever you want, you can read the messages. Then, incoming messages are saved and email reduces volume of paper. It reduces use of paper. Emails are of two types, formal emails and informal emails. Formal emails are those emails which are sent to companies, government departments or to officers. Informal emails are written to family members, relatives and friends. Now, how to write an email? Before writing email, these few things you have to keep in your mind. The first one is keep your email as short as possible. Don't overwrite. Write to the point. Use simple sentences. Then a meaningful and appropriate subject line is written. Then do not use slogans, abbreviations or short forms. These are not allowed in exams. Start with greetings like dear sir, dear madam, dear Rohit, dear Neha. It will create a good impression of you. Proofread your email to edit errors. Check your emails thoroughly. There should not be any grammatical mistakes or mistakes of punctuation mark. Now this is the format of an email. First of all, date. Date in an email is automatically inserted. But in exam, you have to write date. Then from. Then from. From is the sender's address. That means it is email ID of the sender. Then to. To is receiver's email ID. Sender's address and receiver's address means email ID of senders and receivers. Now subject. Subject should be short. Subject refers to the main reason for your writing email. It should be precise and short. In salutation, write dear sir, dear madam, dear Rohit according to the situation. Now body of the email. It is the detail of the email. Now complimentary close like thanks, yours sincerely, yours lovingly. And at last, sender's name. Here is an example of email writing. You can see here from rajan@gmail.com. Here it is sender's email ID. Then to narendra@gmail.com. It is receiver's ID. In senders and receivers ID, all letters should be small and there should not be any space between the letters. Then subject, after that my dear Narendra, then detail of the email, after that complimentary close like yours sincerely and then sender's name Rajan. Now write this sample email in your copy very neatly. Thank you.